Welcome students, myself Atul Kumar, working as a assistant professor in Department of Computer Science, Rajiv Gandhi Memorial, Government College, Jogindarnagar. In this video lecture, I will discuss logic gates, types of logic gates and universal gates. So logic gates are the electronic circuit that operate on one or more input signal to produce standard output signal. They are the building blocks of all the circuits in the computer. Some of the common examples of logic gates are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate and NOR gate. So AND gate is actually the physical realization of logical multiplication operation. It generates an output signal of 1 only if all the input signals are also 1. So look at this diagram here. Here we have two switches A and B. They are connected in series. So if both the switches are in on state, means both the switches are closed, only in that condition input goes to the output or input reaches the output. If any one of the switch, either A or either B or both, are in open state, means A or B or both are in off state, then in that case input will not reach the output. Same is the case of NAND gate. So two or more switches that are connected in series, they behave as AND gate. So this one is the logical symbol of AND gate, and AND gate is, or AND operation in Boolean expression is always be denoted by dot operator. So C is equal to A dot B, it represent the AND gate representation. So this one is the truth table for AND gate. In AND gate, if both the input A and B are 1, only in that case output is 1. Otherwise, if any of the input or both the input are 0, then in that case the output is also 0. Next is OR gate. OR gate is the physical realization of logical addition operation. It generates the output signal of 1 only if at least one of the input signal is 1. In this case, if the switches are connected in parallel, in AND gate the switches are connected in series. If the switches are connected in parallel, then they behave like a OR gate. In that case, if either of A or B or both are in on state, then in that case the input will reach the output. For example, if A in the on state and B is in the off state, in that case input will reach the output by this path. If A in the off state and B in the on state, in that case input will reach the output by this path. And if both A and B are in on state, then input will reach the output either by this path or either by this path. So if any one of them or both are in on state, in that case output is 1. Otherwise, if both A and B switches are in off state, then the output in that case is 0. So this one is the logical symbol for OR gate, and OR gate in Boolean expression is always be represented with the help of plus operator. So if you see plus operator in Boolean expressions, then they always represent a OR gate. So this one is the truth table for OR gate. In OR gate, the output is 0 only when both the inputs are 0. Otherwise, the output is 1, like in this truth table. Next is NOT gate. NOT gate is the physical realization of complementation operation. It generates the output signal, which is the reverse of input signal. So it is also called as inverter because it invert the input. For example, if we have an input A is equal to 0, then it inverts the output as it inverts the input as a bar is equal to 1 and it is the output. So if input is 0 then output is 1, if input is 1 then output is 0, so it is also called as inverter. This one represent the logical symbol of NOT gate, and this one is the truth table for NOT gate. Here if input is 0 then output is 1, if input is 1 then output is 0. Next is NAND gate. NAND gate is complemented AND gate. This means complemented AND gate means that if we have a AND gate then it is combined with NOT gate, then it becomes NAND gate. So it is a complemented AND gate. It is a complemented AND gate, and it generates a output signal 1 if any one of the inputs are 0. Otherwise it generates a output signal 0 if all the inputs are 1. So this one is the logical symbol for NAND gate, and NAND gate is always represented with the help of this up arrow in the Boolean expression. So C is equal to A up arrow B, and it is also equivalent to A dot B bar, and it is also equivalent to A bar plus B bar. The truth table for NAND gate is shown here. In this case, if both the input is 0, as I show you earlier, if both the inputs are 0 then in that case output is 0, otherwise the output is 1. So here there are the AND gate NAND gate representation is A dot B bar, and it is also equivalent to, logically equivalent to A bar plus B bar. You can verify this with the help of truth table. I will show you only for one or two outputs. Suppose we have A here, then we have B input, then we have A bar, then next we required a B bar, next we have A dot B, next we require A dot B bar, next we require A bar plus B bar. So the result of this A dot B bar must be logically equivalent to A bar plus B bar. Suppose A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. So in NAND gate the output must be 1. So A bar here is 1 because A is 0, B bar here is 1 because B is 0, so its inversion is 1. A dot B means A dot B is 0 dot 0 is equal to 0. A dot B bar, the complement of A dot B is 1, so output is 1 like here. And A bar plus B bar, we have A bar is equal to 1, B bar is equal to 1, A bar plus B bar is also 1. So A dot B bar is logically equivalent to A bar plus B bar. Similarly, if we have a input A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, so A bar is equal to 0, B bar is equal to B is equal to 0, so B bar is equal to 1. A dot B means 1 dot 0 is equal to 0. A dot B bar means its complement is 1, and A bar plus B bar, A bar here is 0 and B bar here is 1, so A bar plus B bar is 1. So they are logically equivalent. Similarly, you can verify it for other inputs, that is a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1, and if both a and b are equal to 1, then what will be the output? You can easily verify with this truth table. Next, this one is the realization of NAND gate with the help of AND gate and NOT gate. In this case, we have firstly we have a NAND gate, and next we have a NOT gate. So when input is applied A and B to the AND gate, then the output is A dot B. This one is the output of AND gate. When this output is applied to the input of NOT gate, then it gives you the complement of A dot B bar, and it is actually a NAND gate. Next is NOR gate. NOR gate is the complemented OR gate. When we complement OR gate, means when OR gate is combined with NOT gate, then it becomes a NOR gate. So it generates an output signal of 1 only when all the input signals are 0, and if it produces a output signal 0 if any one of the input is 1. So this one is the logical symbol for NOR gate, and it is represented in the Boolean expression with the help of down arrow. So C is equal to A down arrow B. This means that A NOR B, and it is always equal to A plus B ka whole bar, because we have OR gate and its complement. So OR gate is A plus B and its complement is bar, so A plus B whole bar, and it is also equal to A bar dot B bar. So this one is the truth table for NOR gate. Here the output is 1 only if both the inputs are 0, otherwise the output is 0 if any one or both the inputs are 1. Here A plus B whole bar is equal to A dot B bar. You can verify it easily with the help of truth table. So I will show you only for 1 or 2 inputs. Suppose we have A here, then B, then A bar here, then we have B bar, then next column is A dot B, A bar dot B bar, next column is A plus B whole bar. Suppose when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, the output in case of NOR gate, it must be 1. Let us see if this result comes with this truth table or not. So A is equal to 0, so A bar becomes 1. B is equal to 0, so B bar becomes also 1. A bar dot B bar means 1 dot 1 is also 1, and A plus B means A plus B is 0 plus 0 is 0, and its complement is 1. So both A bar dot B bar is logically equivalent to A plus B whole bar. Next, suppose we have input 1, A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0. So A is equal to 1, so A bar is 0. B is equal to 1, so B is equal to 0, so B bar is equal to 1. A bar dot B bar means 0 dot 1 is 0, and A plus B whole bar. A plus B means 1 plus 0 is 1, and its whole bar means 0. So A bar dot b bar is logically equivalent to a plus b whole bar. Similarly, you can try other inputs like a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1 and a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. You can definitely get the same result as shown in truth table. So this one is the realization of NOR gate with the help of OR gate and NOT gate. Here we have firstly OR gate. We have firstly OR gate, and then it is combined with NOT gate. So when inputs are applied to this OR gate, the output is a plus b. When this output of OR gate is applied as a input of NOT gate, then the output is a plus b whole bar, and this one is a NOR gate. Next is universal NAND gate. So NAND gate is also called as universal NAND gate because it is alone sufficient to implement any Boolean expression. Like we have a basic gates like AND, OR and NOT, and these three gates are alone sufficient to implement any kind of Boolean expression, so they are logically complete. If we show that NAND gate, with the help of NAND gate we can implement these three basic logic gates AND, OR and NOT. So this means that NAND gate can also be used individually to create any kind of Boolean expression. So NAND gate is logically complete, and if NAND gate is logically complete, this means that NAND gate is a universal gate. In the next slide I will show you how to generate AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate with the help of NAND gate. So this one is the implementation of NOT gate with the help of NAND gate. Here we require only one NAND gate. Here we have a NAND gate and we apply a input A to the NAND gate, which is duplicated. This means that A is applied twice to this NAND gate, and when A is applied twice to this NAND gate, the output is A dot A whole bar. Let us understand this with the help of example. So suppose A is equal to 0, so output of NOT gate must be 1. Let us see if this occurs in this case or not. So A is equal to 0, so A is equal to 0. When this applied as a duplex form to this NAND gate, then the output is A dot A whole bar, means 0 0 dot 0 whole bar equal to 0 dot 0 means 0 and its bar, and the complement of 0 is 1, means when we apply A as 0, the output is 1, that is output is inverted, so it works like a NOT gate. So if A is equal to 1, suppose now if A is equal to 1, so the output is A dot A bar, means 1 dot 1 bar, and it is equal to 1 complement, and it is the complement of 1 is 0. So when we apply input A is equal to 1, then output is 0, means the input is complemented. So with the help of NAND gate we can create a NOT gate. Next is how to create a AND gate with the help of NAND gate. So for the creation of AND gate with the help of NAND gate, we have used 2 NAND gate. So with the help of 2 NAND gates you can easily create a AND gate, and in the first NAND gate, suppose A is equal to A and B is applied, so its output is A dot B and bar. So its output is A dot B bar. When this is applied to this NAND gate, so output is a dot b, a bar dot b bar ka whole bar, and its output is a dot b. Let us see with this with the help of example. Suppose we have applied a is equal to 0 here and b is equal to 1 here. The output of OR gate is a dot b, that must be in this case 0. Now let us see with the help of NAND gate if this output comes or not. So the output of first NAND gate is 1.0 whole bar, 1.0 whole bar, and it becomes 0 and its complement, and it is equal to 1. So the output of this NAND gate is 1, and this is applied as a duplex to this NAND gate as a input. So 1 is applied in twicely to this NAND gate. The output is 1.1 whole bar, and 1.1 means 1 bar, and the complement of 1 is 0. So when input is a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1, then the output is 0, and this is the result of AND gate. So with the help of NAND gate we can easily implement AND gates. And for implementation of AND gates, how many NAND gates are required? There are 2 NAND gates are required. For the implementation of AND gate with the help of NAND gate, we require 2 NAND gates. Next is how to implement OR gate with the help of NAND gate. Same is the case. So here we require 3 NAND gates. So with the help of 3 NAND gates, OR gate is easily implemented. Let us see with the help of example. Suppose a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. So the output must be in case of AND gate, the output must be 0 plus 1, and it is equal to 1. So output must be 1. Let us see if this output comes with these 3 NAND gates. Here a is equal to 0, so a bar is equal to 1. Here b is equal to 0, so b bar is equal to 1. When this 1 and 1 is applied to NAND gate 3, the output is 1 dot 1, and its complement means 1 bar equal to 0.0. Here there is a problem. Let us see what is going on in this. A is equal to 0, v is equal to 1, 0, 0. So okay, in this case again we will see. Suppose a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. So the output of a, 0 is applied here and 0 is applied here twice. The output of OR gate is 0.0 and its complement means 0.00, and its output is 1. Here we apply 1 twice to this NAND gate, so the output is 1.1 and its complement, and its output is 1 complement means 0. Means here the complement of 1 is 0. So here we apply 1 as an input and here we apply 0 as a input. So the output of this NAND gate is 1.0 का whole complement means 1 dot 0 is 0 and its complement, and the complement of 0 is 1. So when A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, the output is 1, and this one is the output of this OR gate, this one. Next is universal NOR gate. NOR gate is a universal gate like NAND gate because it is alone sufficient to implement any kind of Boolean expression, like in this case, because the basic logic gates AND, OR and NOT are logically complete because they can be used to create any kind of Boolean expression. Similarly, if we show that NOR gate can be used to implement NAND or AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate, so NOR gate is also logically complete and it is a universal gate. So this one is the implementation of NOT gate with the help of NOR gate. Here we require only one NOR gate, and this one is the implementation of OR gate with the help of NOR gate. Here we require two NOR gates to build a OR gate. You can verify it like I have explained earlier in case of NAND gate, how to verify it with the help of inputs. Suppose we have a is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, and this one is an AND gate, so OR gate, so the output must be 1. Now let us see if this output comes with these two NOR gates or not. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, so the output of this first NOR gate is 0 plus 1 whole complement, and 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 complement, the complement of 1 is equal to 0. So this 0 output can be given twice to this next NOR gate. So 0 is applied here and 0 is applied here. When we apply a 0 to this NOR gate, the output is 0 plus 0 and its complement, and it is equal to 0 and complement, the complement of 0 is equal to 1. So when input is A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, the output is 1, and this one is the output of OR gate. So with the help of two NOR gates, we can easily implement OR gate. So in this we use three NOR gates, 1, 2 and 3, to implement AND gate. So with the help of NOR gate, you can easily create AND gate by using three NOR gates. So let us see if this works with the inputs. Suppose A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, so the output of AND gate here is 0. Let us see if this comes with this circuit or not. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, so the output of this first NOR gate is, we apply 0 here, we apply 0 here, so the output is 0 plus 0 and its complement, it's equal to 0 and complement, and it is equal to 1. The complement of 0 is 1, so output here is 1. So here 1 is applied to this NOR gate, and the output is 1 plus 1 and its complement, and it is equal to 1 complement, and the complement of 1 is 0. So the output here is 0, and it becomes the input of this third NOR gate. So when we apply 1 and 0 to this third NOR gate, the output is 1 plus 0 and its complement, and the answer is, or the result is 1 and complement, and the complement of 1 is 0. So when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, the output is 0, which is the output of AND gate. Similarly, suppose, now let us see with other inputs. Now suppose A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. In that case the output of AND gate is 1. Now let us see if this result comes with this circuit. So 1 is applied here, 1 is also applied here in duplex form, 1 is applied here, 1 is applied here. So the output of this NOR gate is 1.1 and its bar, and it is equal to 1 complement, and it is equal to 0. So the output of this first NOR gate is 0. Similarly here the input is 1 1, so same output here 0. So 0 is applied here as a input to the third NOR gate, and 0 is applied here as a input to the third NOR gate. So the output is 0 dot 0 plus sorry, here is OR gate implements 0 plus 0, here also plus. So 0 plus 0 is 0 and its complement, and its complement is 1. So when input is A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, the output is 1. And this one is the implementation of AND gate with the help of 3 NOR gates. Next is exclusive OR gate. So exclusive OR gate is denoted by the symbol this plus encircled, and the symbol of this logically OR gate is shown here. So if we have input A like this and input B like this, so exclusive OR is A plus encircled B, and it is always equal to A bar dot B plus A dot B bar. It is also written in the with the help of this symbol, and it is also equal to A dot B plus A bar dot B bar. This one is the truth table for exclusive OR gate. In exclusive OR gate, the output is 0 when both the input either 0 or both the inputs are 1. When both the inputs are either 0 or 1, then output is 0, otherwise the output is 1. So this one is the truth table for exclusive OR gate. Thanks for watching this video.